Hello, good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi,
Okay, so how many students do I have for tonight? So I have where is Quang Trong?
I'm here.
Okay, so do you have an English name?
Yes, it's Matt.
Math. Okay, so I'm gonna call you Math. How about Huong Giang?
It's me.
Okay, so do you have an English name?
My English name is Lily.
Lily. Is that
Yeah.
correct? Okay,
Yeah.
so hopefully I will remember. Okay, how about how do you pronounce it? Huay Giang?
Oh, yeah, I'm here. My
Okay, so
English
what's your
name is Elsa.
Elsa? Oh, it's like Elsa in the Frozen, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So how about Hamay? Is there Hamay? Or only
She's
three
not
of you?
here.
Or she's not? Yeah, okay. So is she going to join? Okay, so first, okay, so I'm teacher Lani. Okay, so it's nice to see every one of you. Okay, so before we begin our lesson, I would like to say something about the rules. Okay, so I'm gonna call you to read an article or a paragraph in the textbook. And then after that, we are going to have discussion of some of the vocabularies from the textbook or from the paragraph that you have read that you don't know the meaning of so that you can clarify before we proceed. Okay? Now, since there are three of you here in the class, so I would like you to raise your hand if you would like to ask question or if you would like to clarify some things. Okay, so do you understand? Okay, so asking question is better than agreeing that you understand, but you do not understand. So before we move on to another lesson, I would like to make sure that every topic that we're going to discuss is clear. Okay? So do you have any question?
No.
None so far. All right, so are you ready? Okay,
Yes.
so let me share you my screen. Okay? So the textbook that we're going to use is Teen Talk. Okay, can you see my screen now?
Yes, I can.
Okay, how about you, Math? Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see.
How about Lily?
Yes, I can.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so the issue or the first topic in this textbook is I like Calvin Klein. Okay, so do you know the brand Calvin Klein?
Yes.
Okay, Math, do you know about it?
Yes.
Lily?
Yeah, it's a fashion brand.
Yeah. How about you, Elsa?
Yes, I know.
Okay, very good. Okay, so now before we discuss further about this, I would like you to read the paragraph. Okay, so I will divide the paragraph or the sentences into three so that the three of you will have a chance to read. Okay, so the purpose of reading the paragraph is for me to know if you can read all the words properly and you can pronounce all the vocabulary properly. If it's not, so that's the time that we're gonna have the modifications, okay, for the pronunciation that you will do. Okay, so now I would like Math, since you're the only man here. Okay, so I would like you to be the first one to read the paragraph. And then when I say stop, so I will ask Lily to be the next one. And then when I say stop again, so that's the time of Elsa. Okay? So now let's proceed. Let's begin. Math, can you read?
Yes. I want
Okay.
to be in That's why I wear expensive designer label clothes. Popular celebrities wear top 5 brand name, so the good must be very good. Well-known companies take pride in their product, maintain high quality, and provide great after-sales service.
Okay,
So,
thank you, Math. So, Lily, it's your turn.
So people who buy these items feel the high prices are fair, since cool clothing gives them a good fit. Um,
Okay, you may continue.
Wait for me a second.
All right.
Clothing gives them a good fit as well as inner satisfaction. My friends and I all like the same clothes, music, movies, and so on.
Okay,
If
thank you,
our
Lily.
parents
Okay,
don't,
stop, Lily. Thank you. Now, Elsa, your turn. Elsa.
My friends and I all like the same clothes, music, movies, and so on. If our parents don't understand us or don't like what we like, well, that's a problem. But I bet they had the same feelings when they were young. As for me, I like Calvin Klein.
Okay. So first, the first thing that I observe is you need to be watchful with the punctuation marks. Okay. So when you see this mark, okay, so it means you need to stop. Okay. I want to be in. And then stop because there's a period. Okay. When you see a comma like this, you need to pause. Okay. Example, brand name. So that goods must be very good. Okay, stop again. Okay, do you understand? Okay, another thing is the letter S. Okay, like clothes. Okay, so math, can you pronounce it? Clothes.
close.
How about Lily? Can you pronounce it? Lily?
clothes.
Clothes. Okay, I think Lily is having a problem with her audio. How about you, Elsa?
Clothes.
Okay, celebrities. Math, can you say it? Celebrities.
Hmm, I can see it.
Yes, celebrities.
Celebrities.
How about Lily?
Celebrities.
Okay, Elsa?
Celebrities.
Okay. And then next is after sales. Okay, Math?
After sales.
Okay, Lily?
After sales.
Elsa?
After sale.
Okay. So those are words, those are example of words with an S. Okay, so you need to make sure that you are going to pronounce the sound of the letter S if it's located at the end of the word. Okay, because it has a big difference. Okay, when you see a word without an S at the last part of the word with the word with an S at the last part. Okay, so that the person you're talking to will be able to differentiate whether you're talking to only a singular person or singular objects or a lot or plural person or plural objects. Okay, do you understand? Okay, now let me ask you which of the vocabulary of this paragraph would you like to clarify the meaning of? Okay, so math, which of the word would you like to clarify the meaning of?
No, I don't know.
Okay, so everything, you understand every word.
Yes.
Okay, what about you, Lily?
No, I don't
Okay,
need to know anything.
okay, so you understand every word. That's good. How about you, Elsa?
I need to know what inner satisfaction meaning.
Inner satisfaction. So meaning to say this one, okay? As well as inner satisfaction. This is talking about yourself. Okay, let's say for example, you buy a designer clothes. Okay, so if you really like it, if you really want it, and then you bought it, so it means you are very happy and you are satisfied with the brand, with the quality of the product of the clothes that you bought. Okay, that is inner satisfaction. If you feel confident when you wear it, if you feel beautiful when you wear it, so you have your inner satisfaction. Do you understand, Elsa?
Yeah.
Okay, anything else? Okay, so now let's proceed. Okay, so here, look at this picture. So in this picture, I would like the three of you to give me your understanding, your interpretation of what the picture means. Okay, so let's begin with you, Math. So what do you think is happening in the picture?
I think it's a teenager wear a famous brand of clothes and what I know.
Okay, yes, that's good. Very good. Okay, so these are teenagers and all of them are wearing designer and famous brand labels like Renoma, CK, Guess, okay, NYX there. Okay, so how about you, Lily? So what can you say about the picture?
I had the same answer as Matt.
Okay, so these teenagers are wearing designer clothes. How about you, Elsa?
I think they are chatting about some brand name.
They're chatting about some brand name. Yes, that's correct as well. Okay, because as you notice and as you observe in the picture, each of the teenager are wearing different designer clothes. And if you are wearing different designer clothes, of course, you are going to ask each or each teenager or each of your friends, so how was it? Let's say, for example, that is the first time that you saw your friend wearing a guest t-shirt or a guest blouse. So you will ask, how was it? Because I am used of wearing a CK clothes. So I don't know if the quality of the guest clothes is as good as the CK clothes. Okay? Because you need to compare. And then if what you will hear about how your friend described the brand that he is wearing or she's wearing, then maybe you would try buying this brand as well. Okay? So and that's good. Okay? So you need to chat, uh you need to talk, especially if you are wearing different designer clothes. Okay? Because sometimes, let's say for example, I am an avid fan of a Guess brand. So I don't know about the quality of the other brand because I usually wear Guess brand. Okay, so I might ask my friend, why do you like CK? So she might ask me, why do you like Guess? Okay, so that is very important, especially if you are a fan of designer clothes or designer products. Okay, do you understand? Okay, now let's proceed to the question here. Okay, what does it mean? Okay, so the first one is, what does it mean when we say brand name? Okay, so when we say brand name, what is that? What's the meaning of that, Lily?
A brand name is a brand name is um like how the products called. The people may know the brand, like when you look at the name you know that that's the name of the brand. Yeah.
Yeah, very good. So when we say the brand name, so that is example of that is CK, the Calvin Klein. Example is that is the Guess, the Nike. Okay, Prada, Louis Vuitton. So those are examples of brand name. Okay, so those are designer and famous brand name. Okay, so what about the meaning of after sales service? So can you explain the meaning of this one, Math? After sales service.
I think after sales service is a thing after sale we sell it and that is all I know. You guys know.
Okay, so any guess about the meaning of this one, Elsa?
Yes.
Yeah, would you like to also give me the meaning of after sales aside from what have Matt said? Do you have any idea about what it means? Okay. So when we say after sales service, okay, so usually this is the duty of the salesperson who introduce you the new product of their clothing or bags. Okay. And then after that, let's say, for example, I am the salesperson and you are my customer. Okay. So from the moment you step inside the store, so I will introduce the new product. Okay, so this is our new product. This is new arrival. This is the latest one. Okay, and the quality of this is very good. Okay, so now if you were able to convince that customer to buy your product, so the after sales service will come. Okay, and what is that? Okay, so if you think that you are happy about what you have bought in our store, okay, so here's the paper and you can give us your feedback and comments about this. Okay, so you are free if you have questions, if you would like to, let's say, for example, if you would like to ask some ways on how you are going to wash this one or this item. So feel free to come back in the store so that I can tell you how to do it. So that is after sales service. Meaning to say, you are not going to stop your service as a salesperson when the customer bought your product. So once the payment has been done, so you have to talk again to the customer and say that this is how you are going to wash it. This is how you're going to take care of this. Okay, so and then after that, your customer can say that he or she is satisfied with the service they receive from the store and from the salesperson. Do you understand? Okay. Okay, next one is cool clothing. What does it mean? Okay, Lily, do you have any idea about the meaning of cool clothing?
Cool clothing is uh, a, a like the clothes is looking good.
Yes, okay. So that's very good, Lily. I thought you're going to say that cool clothing is like the kind or how we feel when we wear it. Okay, but that's good. Okay, that is the exact definition of cool clothing. Okay, so it is not literally cool, but the cool is when you wear it, so you feel very good, you feel very comfortable, and everybody who's gonna look and who's gonna see what you're wearing will find you very cool. Okay, so that's good. What about okay, so the inner satisfaction, I already explained it because Elsa was able to ask the meaning of this one a while ago. Okay, and hopefully the three of you remembered how I explained the meaning of this one. Okay, so now let's proceed to the
Teacher, wait a
comprehension.
minute.
Okay,
I think me is in a class.
again. Ah, okay, so she joined already. There. Okay, hi, welcome. Okay,
Hello,
so
teacher.
do you have an English name?
My English name is Mimi.
Mimi. Okay, so Math, Lily, and Mimi. Okay, nice to meet you, Mimi. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so Mimi, can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay, so Mimi, we are talking a while ago about the first topic of the textbook, which is all about designer clothes, which is I like Calvin Klein. Okay, so some of your friends already read the paragraph, and we are now discussing about the vocabulary. So we're done with it as well. Now we are going to proceed in the comprehension. So feel free to ask question if you don't understand something. All right, Mimi?
Okay.
Okay, number one. So number one, Elsa, can you read the question?
Why does the speaker like to wear clothes and designers' name on them?
Okay, so correction. Okay, so this one we pronounce it as clothes.
Clothes.
Okay, so do not confuse about this one. So this is clothes. Okay, so why does the speaker like to wear clothes with the designer's name on them? Okay, so based on the paragraph that you have read, so what is your answer, Elsa? Since you're the one who answered the question or who read the question, so I would like you to answer it.
Oh, I think because they will feel fashion when they wear clothes with designer names on them.
Yes. Okay. So, actually, when you are wearing designer clothes, sometimes you feel very confident. You feel very proud, right? Okay. Because not everyone can buy designer clothes. Okay. So, what about number two? Your answer is correct, Elsa. Thank you. What about number two? Uh, Mimi. Okay. Because this is a question not necessarily answered based on the paragraph. Okay. So, Mimi. Okay, please read question number two.
Is the speaker an ordinary teenager?
Okay, is the speaker an ordinary teenager? Okay,
Uh,
because the speaker here would like to buy designer clothes or designer objects. So, do you think the speaker is an ordinary teenager?
I think yes.
Mm-hmm. What made you think so? Do you have any idea?
Not yet.
Okay, so how about Lily? Lily, is the speaker an ordinary teenager?
I think the speaker is ordinary teenager
Mm-hmm. Why? Why is the speaker an ordinary teenager?
because I can see at the end of the paragraph that they say that the parents don't feel the same as them. So I think it's teenager.
Okay, so that is the feelings of the teenager, right? Okay, so according to you and Mimi, so the speaker is an ordinary teenager. Okay, so but if we're going to go back in here, okay, so here, but I bet they had the same feelings when they were young. As for me, I like Calvin Klein. Okay, so it means that actually it's 50% ordinary teenager and 50% not. Why? Okay, so he or she is not an ordinary teenager because an ordinary teenager cannot afford to buy designer clothes. Okay, but she or he is an ordinary teenager because most of the teenagers, like you guys, also would like to buy their designer clothes because of some peer influence, right? Okay, so sometimes you are convinced by your friends to buy this brand because it is good. Okay, so and then sometimes you have your own choice also because when you go to the department store and look around, so you will see that this brand is also very good. Okay, so that is one way of the ordinary teenagers looking forward for the clothes that he or she would like to wear. Okay, but of course, if we say that what you would like is a designer clothes, it means that you need money. Okay, because the price of these clothes, designer clothes, are not as cheap as the ordinary ones, right? Okay, so now number three. What do the stars wear? So the stars here are the celebrities. Okay, so what do the stars wears? Let me have math.
I think the star wear expensive clothes and a famous brand clothes.
Yes, very good. Okay, so they are expected to wear designer clothes and expensive clothes because sometimes these designer clothes are getting them to advertise. Okay? They are the one making other teenagers or other people be aware of the kind of clothes that they are selling. So they are the one who will be the one endorsing the products that the famous clothes or famous brand are selling. Okay, so that's good. Now, what about number 4? Elsa, can you read the question?
A brand name goods worth their high prices. Give three reasons the speaker thinks that they are.
Okay. So, can you give me 3 reasons why the speaker said that the brand name goods worth their high prices?
I
Is
think because the brand name good worth their prices, high prices because they have the high quality and they good fit and they make who wear it look more yeah,
fashionable.
fashionable. Okay.
Okay, that's good. Very good, Elsa. Okay, so those are the reasons. That's why sometimes it is worth buying designer clothes because the durability and the quality of this designer clothes are worth for the price. Okay, because if you are going to buy a brand which is not famous or which is not well known, so let's say for example, this is 50% of the amount of the designer clothes. Okay, so but when you put it in the washing machine after you wear it, so it will be worn out or the color of that cloth will fade away, right? So it's not worth it. But if it's a designer clothes, even if you are going to mix it with another color inside the washing machine, so the quality will still be the same. So that's why the price is worth it. Okay, and then number 5, Mimi, please read the
Does
question.
does the speaker feel the same as or different from older people?
Okay, so what do you think?
I think the speaker feel different from be- because um
Okay, so your first answer is correct. The speaker feel the same. Uh, the speaker feel different from older people because okay, so guys, since we don't have enough time, so I would like everybody to answer this question. So I will assign this one as your homework. Okay, so question number 5, I will send here in our chat box. Okay, so here. So when you send your homework, so write your name first, okay, and then your answer so that I can identify who answered that one. Okay? So I hope to see everyone again. I hope to have a class with you again. So it's nice to meet you all. Okay, so actually all of you did well. Even if Mimi joined the class very late, at least I know that she understands some of the lesson that she have. Okay, the later part. Okay? So you all did well and hope to see you again guys again. Okay, good night. Bye.
Have a good night, teacher.
You too. Thank
good
you
night.
everyone.